My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles beneficiary disputes and denials. And a lot of the cases I handle are life insurance denials by the insurance company or accidental death denials. And the first thing it's important to understand, and a lot of the people who call me do not understand this, is accidental death coverage is much different than life insurance coverage. Life insurance policies typically pay no matter the cause of death, particularly after the 2 year contestability period. The life insurance company is generally going to pay, assuming the policy is still in effect, and when they receive a death certificate. Accidental death coverage is much different. It's a completely different coverage, and it's usually cheaper. And the reason is because it rarely pays, frankly. There are many exclusions in an accidental death coverage. Uh, and what most people don't understand is what you or I may call an accident, or what a coroner or doctor may call an accident, may not necessarily meet the requirements of an accidental death policy. Many of these policies have terms that say that the accident has to be independent of other causes, and generally those other causes will be sickness or disease or drug abuse. I get a lot of calls for someone who says, "Well, I'm the beneficiary, and the insured died because they drank 6 margaritas by the pool and they took 8 tranquilizers and they died of exposure in the sun." Well, that's generally not going to be considered an accidental death. But there are cases I've seen where the insurance company has denied a death by drowning or a death by fall where someone hits their head, which would be considered accidents. And they say, well, they had a history of epilepsy, or they were taking these other medications which could have also caused the death, and therefore we're going to deny the claim. No. You need to talk to an experienced lawyer to review those types of cases. And it's also very important to do that up front. Talk to a lawyer when you get a denial letter or when you receive a phone call from the insurance company that says they're going to deny the claim. Don't go off on your own and write letters to the insurance company in anger before you contact a lawyer. And the reason is you could make certain statements that will hurt your case. So it's very important if you're facing an accidental death or life insurance denial to immediately contact a lawyer who's experienced in evaluating those cases.